Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix there's an issue with your account or order in Microsoft Rewards. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So encountering this error message on Microsoft Rewards can be frustrating, but there are steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So first, check your payment information. Ensure that the account details you are using for Microsoft Rewards are accurate. Verify your email address and other relevant account information. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, browser cache and cookies can cause issues with account functionality. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Then try accessing Microsoft Rewards again. Try a different browser. If you're encountering issues in one browser, try accessing Microsoft Rewards using a different browser to see if the problem persists. Update browser. Make sure your browser is up to date. Outdated browsers can have compatibility issues with certain websites, including Microsoft Rewards. Check account status. Ensure that your Microsoft account is in good standing and not locked or suspended. If there are any issues with your account, address them before attempting to use Microsoft Rewards. Check Microsoft Rewards program rules. Review the terms and conditions of the Microsoft Rewards program to ensure you are following the rules. Violations of program guidelines can lead to issues with your account. Contact Microsoft Support. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Microsoft Support. They can provide specific assistance and guidance to resolve the issue with your account or order. Verify payment and billing information. If you're redeeming rewards or making purchases, ensure that your payment and billing information is accurate and up to date. Check order history. If the issue is related to an order you've made, review your order history to see if there are any details or error messages that can help you understand the problem. Use incognito or private browsing mode. Try accessing Microsoft Rewards using your browser's incognito or private browsing mode. This can help isolate whether the issue is related to cached data or cookies. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions you have installed and see if the issue persists. And lastly, wait and retry. In some cases, the issue might be temporary. Wait for a while, then retry accessing Microsoft Rewards to see if the problem is resolved. Remember to be cautious with any impersonal information you provide online and ensure that you are using official Microsoft websites and channels when dealing with account-related matters. And that's it for this video. Once you follow all of the steps, you should be able to fix there's an issue with your account or order in Microsoft Rewards. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!